gosh, that was a lot of stairs. And that, man. I wonder why Americans don't use trains anymore. I mean, just like really? I mean, they're so effective.
Wait, were you talking about trains?
Yeah.
Awesome, I love trains.
Oh, trains are amazing. Yes, trains are amazing.
What was your question?
Why don't Americans use trains as much?
Actually, they do, except it's a lot more expensive than flying, which I think is ridiculous.
Yeah, just like
Places like Japan and Europe like heavily subsidize it. It costs about as much as getting a sandwich.
that's crazy. I mean, it's just like
Amtrak's
it's-
ridiculous.
Yeah, exactly.
Amtrak is ridiculous.
Alright, I'm good.
Oh, bye. Trains are
Trains. Trains are like trains, right?
Yeah, I can't believe we're gonna ride a train, dude.
Trains. Wait, we are.
Yeah, is the one behind us?
I thought it was like a pizza shop.
That's a train.
Well, I was hoping for some like pizza and coffee. That doesn't go together.
That's
not a train.
That's a train.
It's not a train.
That's a train.
Can I eat that?
No.
Why can't I eat it? It's
because it's
I
a
said
train.
pizza.
Because it's a
Pizza.
train.
No.
It's a train. It's a train.
Forget it. I'm leaving.
Hey, dude, just upload
Okay, now you're recording.
This
I wanna be famous.
This is the guy who did all the boom work and who let this boomstick come in at the end of the video.
I was told to.
No, you weren't.
Yes, I was.
I mean it made the video better, but you weren't told to.
You thought it, and I just picked up on that.
Fine, whatever.
I am cool like that.
Shoes.
You gotta get close to the mic.
No, that tastes good.
Oh, it is?
That was close.
Shoes.
Can you hear me, Patrick?
Yeah, but not as close as I can hear him.
Oh,
It's a very strong microphone.
Shoes.
That is scarring me for life now.
Shoes.
No word.
Ow.
Lane needs to stop saying
You guys suck.
Lane, stay right there. It's not very nice to say no words. Wait, I'm gonna turn my.
Yeah, just start talking. We're doing a sound test. Sound test. Talk to me, child.
You're the Hulk.
Talk to me, child. Sing me pretty song now, Lynn.
Chased into the woods by a raven.
See, did you hear that?
No.
Oh, it's bad. But it's
Is it like screamo?
Oh yeah, it's impossible to understand. Sounds like a pig on like steroids with a problem. With like a speech
We're
disorder.
going through Lane's problems right now.
Lynn has issues.
I'm an alcoholic. And I like licking rails.
And Miley Cyrus.
Why is it green?
Because he turned on night vision.
Why?
Wow.
Guys, we are gonna catch some freaking ghosts now. Guys, Mr. Weimer's gonna be here really soon.